Yeah, this is super bad. This is specifically because of this illegal cap. The roofer has put the wrong cap on here, created a fire hazard in their home. This customer called and said that they're having problems with their dryer, and they think that there's a problem with the dryer vent. They said the dryer is not drying the clothes, but it's getting really, really hot, and there's a lot of humidity in the laundry room when they run the dryer. And so I came in here and found the problem. They have an illegal vent cap. So this slant back cap is not allowed to be installed for dryer vents because it creates too much resistance for the heat, lint, and moisture. So this is a pretty significant fire hazard, causing the dryer to overheat. And I'm gonna get what's in here cleaned out, but I've also told them that they need to call their roofer because this roof is only 2 years old and there's several problems on it, including this. And this should be covered under their warranty. The roofer has put the wrong cap on here, created a fire hazard in their home, made it unsafe. This is against building code, so the roofer needs to come out and fix it because it should be under their build warranty. And this is what the vent cap looks like from the outside. So you can see that slant back cap, gills around the side, and a flat top. The heat and the air can't efficiently escape from that vent. And so it's creating that pushback effect where the mass of that air builds up in the pipe, pushes back against the dryer, reduces the dryer efficiency, and creates a fire risk inside the laundry room. Yeah, this is super bad. This is specifically because of this illegal cap. Yeah, all of this lint is here because of that cap. This is really bad. This is several gallons of lint. So yeah, that vent was very bad. And it didn't have to be, but the homeowner didn't know just how bad a dryer vent can get. And of course they didn't know that their roofer on their brand new roof had installed an illegal vent cap, creating a gigantic fire hazard in the middle of their house. This is why I recommend you get your dryer vent inspected and cleaned at least once a year, no longer than 2 years. Because if I had come out here, even just, within a couple months of the roof going on, I could have caught that they had the wrong cap on there, and they could have put in a claim right away with their roofer to get it replaced under warranty. Now that it's been a couple years, they might have to go back and forth with the roofer a little bit. If their roofer doesn't do the right thing, I'll send mine out and they'll get a new cap on for sure. Don't let this happen to you. Go out today, right now. Take a look at your dryer vent. Make sure that it's not blocked. Make sure that it doesn't have an illegal cap on it. If you want a couple other examples of what to look for, I've got other videos where you can see what vent types there are and how to locate them. Just take a look. Make sure that you don't have a problem. And if you haven't had your dryer vent cleaned in the last couple years or ever, call somebody. Get somebody out there to clean it for you. Get somebody to take a look, do an inspection, and verify that the vent is built of the right materials and that it is routed in a legal code compliant way. That's not longer than it's allowed to be, or crushed or damaged. It literally could save your life. And of course, if you're in Austin and you want your dryer vent inspected or cleaned, give me a call.